Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so very excited to share a new release from Sigma Beauty. They sent this to me in PR. How very exciting. A little creator like me. It has a card in it and the name of this palette is the Spectrum. Let's take it out of the box. Here is what the outer packaging looks like. Really pretty. The Spectrum eyeshadow palette, it's going to retail for $65. It is releasing on May 13th. And this is every nude shade you can imagine. 20 wearable matte shimmer and metallic hues from rich earth tones to soft beiges, glittering golds and deep browns. This timeless palette will never go out of style, making it perfect for every occasion and skin tone. Magnetic closure. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I've got two brushes here. Let's look at the palette first. Really pretty, reflective on the front, shades on the back, mirror. And then here we go. From dark to light, from warm to cool. Let's get into some swatches. We have Star Anise, Camel, Beach Grass, Coriander, and Sand Dollar. And in the second row, we have Cornucopia, Macchiato, Homemade, Mohair, and Papyrus? I don't know that word. Papyrus is a plant. Here I have the third row, Peppercorn, Double Espresso, Brickyard, Buttered Waffles, and Wallflower. I have to swatch the shimmers all by themselves because they just look stunning. Clairvoyant, Honeysuckle, Spiced Peaches, and Tiger's Eye. Oh my goodness. The last one on that shimmer row is Dune. They are so silky smooth. They look wet. Let's talk about the brushes. The first one is an E35 for tapered blending. And the second one is an E54, which is a medium sweeper. I also have my E25 right here that I love that says it's for blending and it is not clean, so I'm going to use my Sigma switch. Speaking of Sigma products, I do have their under eye corrector on all by itself, just powdered. I also have their brow gel in my brows. I have their cream blush on my cheeks. And I have their lip oil on my lips. Everything that I'm using today will be listed and linked in the description box below, but the true purpose of this video is just to give you an idea of this palette. I'm gonna do 2 looks today, and then before I get this video up, my goal is to create at least 2 more looks for you, so we'll have a little slideshow at the end. I hope that sounds like fun. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with my Sigma eyeshadow primer. I have mine in the shade Persuade, which is just a really pretty beigey pink. This is just so easy to use. You just swipe and then tap, and this is going to help your shadows adhere to your lid. It's going to take care of any discoloration. It does come in different shades. I really like this. Now, looking at these shimmers, I often choose my eye look based on the shimmer that I want to play with. This Clairvoyant looks stunning to me. It looks like a one and done situation. So I'm gonna start with that, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. It is the classic cool brown shimmer that is my obsession right now. I have it all over the lid, and now I'm just pulling it up into the crease a little bit. Look at that. We could be done right there. So what I'll do is I'll take the E35 blending brush and I'll go into this Papyrus. I think that's how you say it, because that's on the more cool toned row. And I'm just going to use that with this nice fluffy brush to blend the edges even further. It just creates a really blown out kind of look. We could stop again right there, or we can deepen out the edge, and I'll take this E54 and I'll go into this Peppercorn, and I'll just very carefully tap this on the outer edge for some deepening. I'm sort of pressing that brush into the depth of my crease to control it from going too high. And then just flicking it out and going back in with that fluffy and blending the edges. That looks really nice. I think I have a little bit of fallout. I can fix that. Just take a clean brush and blend right there. Oh, better. I'm gonna clean off my brush on my switch. Now I'm gonna go into double espresso right here and just drag it along the bottom lash line. This E54 is really nice for outer corner, for underneath. I'm liking it. I'll go ahead and add some liner and mascara, and I'll be back with completed look number 1. I'm back with completed look number 1. The star of the show is Clairvoyant. I love it. Now let's move on to look number 2. For look number 2, I definitely want to incorporate this dune. So I'm gonna start with the Star Anise up here on the E54. And let's see if that Star Anise is deep enough to do a halo eye, which I'm gonna say right now, yes. And I'm just sort of pressing and swirling into that outer corner, blending it up a little, going back in on the inner corner, leaving this center part open, and then I'm gonna very, very lightly connect the two in the crease. Wow, I love that color. I'm gonna take the E35 and I'm gonna go into this Beach Grass and just blend a little bit above that. Might need something a little bit deeper, so I'm gonna go into Camel. Go halfway across the old color and just sweep. I'm not worried about this area right now because we're gonna go over that with the shimmer. I'm gonna take Dune and I'm gonna press it right in the middle. Dune is looking gorgeous. Just taking it up, taking a clean finger, going over those edges, going back in with that fluffier brush, the E35. Go back into the E54 and back into the Star Anise. And we're gonna go just a little bit on the inside corner and the outside corner. And then I'll take an even smaller brush. This is again Beauty E05. Go back into Dune, give it a little spritz, and just put that right in the center. I'm gonna take the E54 and clean it up. I'm going to show you how you can clean up that edge a little bit more. I'm going to go into this Coriander and just use that on the edge. Look at that. And just sharpen that edge. Perfect. Just creates more of a lift. Now for some liner and mascara, BRB. I'm back and here is completed look number 2. And the featured shimmer in this one is Dune. So what do we think? We've got Clairvoyant here and Dune here. Similar looks, similar shades. Truthfully, this is a neutral palette. You're going to have similar looks, but just enough difference to feel like you're not wearing the same 3 shades every day of your life. I am super pleased with this palette. I think the quality is beautiful. I think this would make a fantastic gift for somebody just getting into makeup, or if you want a staple palette with a formula that you will enjoy. This is beautiful. The shimmers are popping enough, but they are not too much. I cannot wait to get into the other shimmers. I think they will make some beautiful looks as well. Right now, I'm gonna show you a couple more looks that I have created during the editing process of this video. Thank you so much, Sigma, for sending this palette to me. I hope I did this beautiful formula, this gorgeous palette justice. This palette is available tomorrow on May 13th. I will have it linked in the description box. I also have a discount code. I'm not sure if it'll work on a brand new release, but please, if you pick it up, let us know in the comments if it worked. Be sure you are subscribed before you leave. I would love for you to join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you thought. I'd love to just see a heart to let me know that you were here. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.